I, okay, so in terms of, I do believe in the definition of marriage, like quote unquote traditional what people would define marriage as, or
Mm,
how people practice marriage is. Marriage is just a relationship of two people coming together to start a family, right?
yeah,
So essentially, a boyfriend and a girlfriend might as well say they're married. However, you don't achieve that title unless you have legal documentation for it and go through legal procedure because society has designed it that way.
yeah,
And because of that, now, um, I mean, you can achieve both. You can achieve both in terms of making your making your marriage an avenue for you to build bonds with your wife and all that kind of stuff,
yeah,
and at the same time to achieve whatever you want to achieve. But it's just more of like it makes it more tricky because people don't understand the fact that like marriage right now has some sort of like business aspect to it, and people are solely just getting married because they feel like if they get married right now, all that's gonna happen is that they'll marry the love of their life, and that's the angle they see marriage from. They're not seeing it from like the legal perspective where like which
yeah. But the thing is, like, if we see it from just the relationship angle, right? Just from the point of view that marriage helps us strengthen and solidify this committed relationship
mm,
we've made to ourselves. I've found that in most scenarios, right, what tends to happen is when you then get confronted with the other aspects of marriage, right, the
yeah,
legal business aspects of it, um, it kind of throws you off your relationship dynamic because you feel this um this societal concept of marriage is an indication of your love for each other, right? So um you put weighting on how your marriage experience from a business and legal perspective is going
mm-hmm,
on your relationship dynamics, right? So you might start noticing so certain things that are coming out of your marriage, instead of understanding, okay, this is just the byproduct of me being in this societal legal contract with this other person. It's not an indication of the strength of our own personal committed relationship.
mm-hmm,
I feel like you can then work to actually manage and grow that relationship. So you wouldn't see setbacks in your marriage as an indication for a breakdown in your relationship. You just see, okay, that's a setback in my marriage or setback in this activity, but I still have this personal relationship with this person, so we can both work together to deal with it.
yeah,
So um, things like I feel like even in an example, something like cheating, right? Like if someone cheats, or one of the partner cheats in the marriage, you might feel like, okay, this person has violated this contract of this marriage,
yeah,
or I mean, cheating might not be a good example because it's still a relationship thing, but something that is directly linked to the marriage. You might then say that, okay, because I want to end this marriage with this person, that means there's a break. Maybe we stop loving each other or something like that. But sometimes it doesn't have to do with that. It's just you two together are not meant to be in that like in this circumstance of marriage. But if you focus maybe on your personal relationships with each other, you can actually work to grow that. I don't know if that makes some sense.